Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class. As the automotive industry transitions into 2025, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class has been named the Best Luxury Small Car of the Year. This accolade emphasizes the CLA-Class's exceptional blend of elegant design, advanced technology, and spirited performance, setting it apart in the competitive luxury compact market. Sophisticated design and premium interior. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class stands out with its sleek, coupe-like design. Its striking front grille, prominent star emblem, and smooth lines give it a dynamic and upscale presence. The CLA-Class's aerodynamic shape and stylish LED headlights contribute to its modern and sporty aesthetic. Inside, the CLA-Class offers a cabin that epitomizes luxury and refinement. Premium materials, including leather upholstery and high-quality finishes, create an inviting and sophisticated environment. The front seats are designed for comfort, featuring multiple adjustments and available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats, while compact, provide sufficient space for passengers on shorter trips. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 CLA-Class is equipped with an array of advanced technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The intuitive interface allows easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster that offers customizable displays for essential driving information. The CLA-Class also offers an available Burmester premium audio system, providing an exceptional listening experience. Performance and handling. The CLA-Class delivers a dynamic driving experience with its powerful engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 221 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking enhanced performance, the AMG CLA-45 variant boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four engine with 382 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The CLA-Class's front-wheel drive layout, along with its precise handling and adaptive suspension, contributes to an engaging driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2024 CLA-Class, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, all contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect combination of sleek design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. Its refined interior, cutting-edge features, and dynamic driving capabilities make it a top choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.